TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of this.
Good morning. It's Friday, and I decided to take I normally only work mornings on Friday, so I took the morning off and have my usual afternoon. I'm hoping to get some Christmas shopping done before Stefan goes to work, but we'll see how that turns out. The glasses. Miss Pickles is hyper. Boo just got back from his walk, so he's chill. And I just tasted day 15 because I'm behind on the advent calendar, and the grounds smelled delicious. The coffee tastes bland, which is a little disappointing, but I'm going to do a 2-cup day, so I'll pop on and see what the other one tastes like in a little while, and we'll see how this day turns out. It is time for cup number 2. Milk chocolate, peach, vanilla, orange. That sounds disgusting. Just kidding. I'm not the biggest peach fan, but Stefan is. Milk chocolate, vanilla, orange sounds good though. Let's see what the package. Foxes, yes. We'll see how it tastes. Okay, we're back with cup number 2. And I have to say that the description sounded revolting, but in drinking it right now, it's actually not bad. So, enjoying that. And it's already like almost 11, so this morning has gone by incredibly fast. I still haven't gone shopping yet. Stefan has to go to work here at like 1 o'clock, so I'm running out of time today, so it'll probably have to be tomorrow that I go shopping. I'm gonna do some online shopping. Maybe I will wrap some more presents since I have some time. I have the other niece to wrap up. And oh my God, yesterday Boo lost his ever-loving mind against, I don't even know what was happening, but I was in a meeting and I heard him going ballistic out here. So as soon as I could hang up, I came running out here, and he was behind the Christmas tree. He'd knocked over ornaments. He stepped on 2 of Talia's presents. So ripped up the wrapping that I had done the other day. It's just a cluster bomb behind there. And I'm just so angry with him. So I have to figure out something to keep him from losing his mind. I might have to close the blinds or something, which makes me sad because that's where the tree is. And I like to force my joy onto other people. Okay, so it's mid-afternoon, and I haven't got a whole lot done. I decided to spend the afternoon or morning, mid-afternoon, whatever you want to call it, waxing my eyebrows and doing some oh so fun lady stuff. Can never get them to match, so do my best. So I thought what I'd do today, this afternoon, since there's apparently a sale on fragrances right now. I unboxed this not too long ago with you guys, that I got this gift set and that there is a voucher inside, but I thought that I should try them out in case, not only to get the thing for my voucher, but if there is something in this sale where I can get 20% off. But you know, they have 20% off all the time, so. But anyway, my point is, if there is more than one of these that I like, I want to take advantage of the sale and get myself something for Christmas. So, as a reminder,
These are the vanilla, best of vanilla, Sephora favorites. This was a $25 packet of samplers, and it gives you a travel size at no cost if you go into the store. So I think it's like up to a $30 value is what reimburse you for. But the options were Dulce Perfume Oil by Rosie Jane, Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid, Juliet Has a Gun Vanilla Vibes, which I would get at Costco. Nest New York Madagascar Vanilla Perfume Oil, and Skylar Vanilla Sky. So we're going to try those out real quick and see which one, or ones plural, I might want to pick up. So let's go with Juliet Has a Gun first, because if I do like it, I'm going to get it at Costco. Oh, wait, you know what? I was just on their website and I didn't see it. Oh, crap. I hope I didn't already sell out of them. That would suck. The box smells really good. Hopefully that's not just something in my room that was near it. Get my little trusty. Oh, that's interesting. It's vanilla, but not like sweet, sweet vanilla. Totally, when it says vanilla vibes, it's totally like beachy. This is like vanilla-y, suntan lotion-y, so tropical. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to go on to Costco and see if it's still available. And I hinted to my husband that that's what I want. So vanilla meets sea salt, made in France. Created by Romano Ricci, great grandson of Nina Ricci. Oh, I did not know that. Vanilla Vibes is a fusion of two opposites, an aphrodisiac natural vanilla twisted with sea salt atmospheric vibes, the expression of sensual, powerful, and free femininity. Get ready for the ride. I did not know that. So I like that. That's really nice. So definitely a get. It would really suck if I'd like all of these. Oh no, it wouldn't suck, I guess. It's worth my money that I paid for the sampler, and then I just need to pick up the full sizes as time goes on. All right, this one's Dulce by Rosie Jane. Oh, this is Pink Sugar. This is Pink Sugar by Aquilina. I'm not even going to put it on that. I'm going to put it on my wrist because why waste a little? Yeah, it has a little bit more powdery dry down, but if you have smelled Pink Sugar by Aquilina, that is what the initial give is. Is this an oil? Perfume oil, inspired by good times, innocence, and the sweetest things in life. Vanilla, chocolate, hinoki wood, nude musk. It's totally feels like long kisses, mixtapes, and sweet cream. feels like late 90s, early 2000s to me. Aquilina, that's what I was wearing way back when. So yeah, so that I'm not wasting my money on, because I could get Pink Sugar at like TJ Maxx for $10 every. It's always available, it seems like. So that's a no. Easy. One down. One down is a no. Let's go to Nest. Vanilla Sky looks, just from the notes on there, looks really good. Madagascar Vanilla. Is this an oil? Wow, for being an oil that had a weird astringent note there that came out. I wonder what all the notes are on this one, because this is not overly vanilla. There's something else going. Okay, here it is. Capture the allure of Madagascar's rich landscape with the warm essence of vanilla bean, the subtle floral sea of vanilla orchid, and hint coconut. That's what it is. That's disappointing. It's coconut, but not in a good way. And I mean, if you like beachy coconut, this is not beachy coconut. It's like, I can't even describe, like rancid. It's like rancid coconut. It's not good. That is not good. And that is surprising because of all of the things I thought Nest would do well is a vanilla. Eek. Eek, eek, eek. All right, let's go to Floral Street. Floral Street is Wild Vanilla Orchid. I like the imagery there. Eau de Parfum. Oh. And here it says confident, bold, modernist, sassy. It's sassy. It's floral. I don't even smell the vanilla, but it's not bad. It's just not vanilla to me. This reminds me of like, is it Benevolence from House of Sillage? Maybe it's Whispers of Truth. It's like a House of Sillage one, but I can't place right off the bat which one it is. Very light, springy, floral. Definitely no vanilla. I smell, I taste, I taste no vanilla. I smell no vanilla. It's not bad, but it's not, when I want vanilla, I want vanilla. So it's okay. So far only one. That's not good. So come on, Skylar, Clean Beauty, Vanilla Sky. Bring it. It says fragrance note are cappuccino, pure vanilla, caramelized cedar. Cappuccino. You better do something for me. Oh, okay. The cedars kind of throw me off a little bit, but it's not bad. Okay. I think we have a winner. I think Vanilla Sky. I think Vanilla Sky. That's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a perfect vanilla scent. The cedar is definitely, that is coming through very prominent, even though it says caramelized. I can still, it's cedar. It's definitely very prominent. I don't smell cappuccino. I don't smell cappuccino at all. I mean, are they just saying like milky? This is interesting. All right, so I will either pick up Skylar on the sale or I will get it as the freebie. I'll probably pick it up at Sephora then because I definitely like it. I was very pleasantly surprised with that. So definitely going to pick that up. Enjoyed. See what else I can throw in there maybe. And I just picked up, let's see if I can get this to, yep. Tobacco Vanilla from Nordstrom's. I had some Nordstrom notes to use up and decided to go ahead and pick up the atomizer of it because it showed up somewhere recently too at a discount. So yeah, so a couple new vanillas I'm going to add to my collection not too long from now. It's a red.
Again.
Point taken. They got my point that I don't want to drink any more reds.
Does that mean it's all whites and rosés from here on out?
I don't think so, but Stefan works tonight, so we won't be popping into this one.
Yep.
So day 16. Oh, good, it's little stars. So
Little stars, more stars.
little stars for Miss
You like the stars, don't you?
Pickles. She'll be like,
You like the stars.
open them up. I'll get in the crate.
We
Open
have
them
an
up.
open bag already.
Okay, so we need to open up that one.
Yep.
You got a handful of dog.
Yeah, I'll put the dog down.
She's like, but you opened them.
Wow, this one's tough. There we go.
They've been really tough lately.
They didn't perforate these very deeply. It's another candy cane. No candy cane. So yeah, as we've noted there's only 3 types of treats in there.
8 mini canes.
Evenly distributed.
All right. Move on over here to
Read the next chapter of your beauty story.
my book. It seems light and inconsequential.
It's a pencil.
It's a pencil.
It's an Inca pencil.
Inica? Inica?
Oh, Inica, okay.
It's an eye pencil.
Yep. Yeah, even I noticed that.
Black. Well, that's interesting to try.
Bamboo, no.
Gotta say, I'm getting to be less and less impressed. There was that one day that I was like, woohoo, and then, Point and click.
Another snowman's.
Snowman's. I actually ate him the other day. The one I got from the other day. I found him on my desk. I forgot to.
Was he hollow?
him.
Filled?
He was hollow.
Feels hollow, yeah.
He was hollow, but it was good.
The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you.